Put these bug-repelling mason jars outside and you might not see a mosquito all summer long. We all love summertime, right? But none of us want the mosquitoes and other insects that come along with the sunny days. Many people use repellents in order to protect themselves. Unfortunately, many of them are full of chemicals, and DEET is one of those chemicals. This chemical compound can interfere with the nervous system and is related to many health issues including allergic reactions and irritation. So, we recommend you to try using homemade repellents which are completely natural and which will effectively keep these insects at bay without exposing you to those harmful chemicals that can damage your health. This homemade repellent is completely safe for use and can provide even better results than the purchased ones. Lemon eucalyptus essential oil is considered as one of the most effective bug repellents. Many studies proved its ability and efficiency to repel mosquitoes. Citronella essential oil has a strong scent and can also keep the mosquitoes at bay. Furthermore, peels of citrus fruits such as limes, tangerines, grapefruits, lemons, and oranges are extremely effective bug repellents because they contain compounds which can repel mosquitoes and other insects. Moreover, they have a strong scent and can protect you from these annoying pests. Mosquito repellent mason jars. You can use mason jars in order to make a mosquito repellent. All you have to do is fill them with citrus fruits and essential oils. Needed ingredients: 2 mason jars, 1 sliced lemon, 1 sliced lime, 10 drops of citronella essential oil, 10 drops of lemon eucalyptus essential oil, 4 sprigs of rosemary, at your own preference. Directions: put the same amount of lime and lemon slices in the mason jars, and place the 2 sprigs of rosemary in each jar. Then, you should pour water into the jars and add the essential oil, but make sure not to mix them together. If needed, add more water. It is recommended to place the jars in your backyard, campfire, or porch. Just light a candle in order to activate them.